Children, we are starting with exercise 5.1. We completed till question number 2. Now we have to start question number 3. Exercise 5.1. Yesterday we completed 1 and 2. In 2, I remember I wrote the scale here, which I have given also. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 units. Instead of writing 10 units, write 10 shoppers. Okay? Don't write 10 units. Otherwise you may get confused. So this is about question number 2. Let's start question number 3. The weekly wages. Wages मतलब हफ्ते में कितना पैसा दिया जाता है for of 30 workers in a factory are given. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with intervals is also given as 800, 810, 810 to 20 and so on. So let's start now. This is what question number 3. So let's make a table. We write your wages, write your tally marks, and we write your frequency table. Frequency is what I have. Then we start. So it is already the question is the intervals is being given, that is 800 to 810. So if you draw a graph for this, it will be a histogram. Na? You can see 800, 810, then 810 to 820, 820 to 830. Okay, what is the last number here? Is 890. That means we have to go to the last means the biggest number is here 890. That means हमको 900 तक जाना पड़ेगा. So let's do that. 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 50 to 860, 860 to 870, 870 to 880, 880 to 890, 890 to 900, and then comes the total. start with question number 4. Draw a histogram for the frequency table which is made for the data in question 3 and answer the following questions. You have to draw a histogram. Okay, so but I have erased the question table only. Now what to do? Here children, I have written it here on my question, that means on my book, textbook. So now it will become easy for me to draw the histogram. So we make the x-axis and the y-axis. This is the 0. Okay. Now this will be the number of workers. Okay. That means this 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So after 0, we take 1, 2. Maximum is 9, so we take till 10. We take till 9 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. This is your y-axis. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this comes out here 9. And here we make the class intervals. So as in histogram we all know, we start from the 0. Okay, so the first one was 800 to 810. Yes, so we make a cracked line over here, the zigzag line. This shows that we are omitting from 0 to 799. So this is your 800. So we are starting our histogram from here. So 800, 810, 820, 30, 840, 850, 860, 870. This is your 880 and this is 870, 880, 890 and 900. You have to go till 900, right? So this is how we start. This is workers. You can write here, this is workers and this is wages. And what should be your scale? 1 centimeter. This is your scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 worker, right? Or you can write 1 unit also, no problem. 1 worker. So the first one, 800 to 810 is 3. First one is still 3. First one was 3. Let me mirror. Second one was 2, then 1. 2, then 1. Okay. Then 9, 5, 1, 3. Then 9. Please use a scale, children. This is 9. Then 5. Then 1. Then 3. 3. Then 1, then 1, then 4. 1. Once again 1. And then 4. Use a scale, please, to draw the histograms. You have a graph paper, use a graph paper. You don't have a graph paper, use a normal paper. You can see I am not using a graph paper to draw. Okay, then we write here 3, 2, 1. This was 9. This was 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. This completes the histogram. Now you have to answer the following question. So it depends on you. You want to write in the book or you want to write in the copy, because already you have written it in the copy. This one, so you can write it in the book or in the copy, wherever you want. First question. Which group has the maximum number of workers? Which group? This group 832, 840 है ना, जिसका सबसे बड़ा है ग्राफ बार 832, 840, right? Then how many workers earn 850 and more? Rupees 850 and more. How many workers are earning? So 1, 3, 1, 1, 4. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many workers? 10 workers. 850 के बाद वाले हम numbers को add कर देंगे. So it will be 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4, which gives us 10 workers. And third one, how many workers earn less than 850? Where is 850? This is 850. Okay. Now how many workers are earning less than 850? यानी कि ये वाला बार इससे नीचे, इस वाले बार से नीचे. So 5, 9, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 5 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 20. How many workers? It is 20 workers. हो गया. This completes question number 4. Okay. Now we start with question number 5. Question number 5, we have to just the number of hours for which student of a particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Answer the following. So you have to just answer the following, beta. Seeing the graph, we can do it in the book. Okay. So please read to the question number 5 in the book. How many answers are there? Just 3. Okay. How many hours did the maximum number of students watched TV? So जिसका ग्राफ सबसे बड़ा होगा, okay, जिसका बार सबसे बड़ा होगा, that is 32. That is 4 to 5. Okay, so 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. You cannot write 4, you cannot write 5, because the graph, the bar is starting from 4 and it is going till 5. So that is why we have written 4 to 5 hours. How many students watched TV for less than 4 hours? Less than 4 hours means 4 hours wala bar you will leave and rest you will take. So that is 22 plus 8 plus 4. 22 plus 8 plus 4. So it is 30 and 30 plus 4 is 34. So 34 students. My eyes will go if I watch 4 to 5 hours TV. Can't watch a movie also for 3 hours. Now, how many students spent more than 5 hours watching TV? So that again, the graph, the bar on the fifth one, उसको हम छोड़ के बाकी के हम गिन लेंगे. So that is 8 and 6. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 gives us 14. Okay. So this completes the exercise 5.1. Now there is circle graph. Okay. Now like we have drawn bar graph. This is a bar graph where we draw the bars. Okay. Now we all know the earth. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is round. Yes. shape of the earth is, we all know the shape of the earth is round. Now in this, generally we say that 3 parts are covered with land and 1 part is covered with water. So if you divide it into 3 parts, 4 parts, 1/4, I said ulta I did it, so na 1/4 is covered with land and 3/4 is covered with water. Abhi the new, when I was studying, it was something like this. Abhi the new thesis has come that 2/3 is covered with land and some part is covered with water. Okay, so every year, this is the GK, the general knowledge. Because of the pollution, because of the human activities, we know that because of the global warming, this icebergs, the ice which is in the South Pole and North Pole, it's melting. Yes, so land is increasing, water is decreasing, or water is decreasing, land is increasing. Please go check, check in that. Check the encyclopedia. Okay, but how much? When I was studying, how much I knew was 1/4 is covered with land and 3/4 is covered with water. So if you want to show this, again in the terms of graph, okay, again, so we can show this in the form of circle, where this much part is water and this much part is land. Okay, this much part is water. So such type of representation is known as circle graphs. Okay, where the data is represented in the form of circles. Also it is known as pie chart. Pie chart, why? Again because of the shape, the circle. So it's known as a circle graph, or it is also known as a pie chart. So like if I take your class only, let's take class 8. This is a data of class 8 in which 1/6 of the students love Maggie. Okay, love Maggie. 1/6 of the students like Coke. Okay, 1/6 of the students prefer pizza. Let's say pizza. 1/6 of the students like chocolates. Then 1/6 of the students like sweets. Okay, handmade or something like that. Then 1/6 of the students, they love burger. Let's write that. So this is a data, okay, in which there are 60 students. There are 60 students in which 1/6 like Maggie, then Coke, then pizza. Okay, so the your class is divided into 6 parts, in which some like Maggie, some like, and equal parts like Maggie. Okay, equal parts like Coke, equal part like chocolates. Now suppose 1/6 part like Maggie. Okay, समझ में आता है. Let's say 2/6 parts like Coke. 2/6 parts means ये पूरा Coke में आ जाएगा. This much part is loved. This much part of the children, they love what? They love Coke. Clear? Then if you say 3/6 parts, that is 1/2, which I was about to say. 3/6 parts like pizza. Then your chart becomes something like this. Yes? Yeah. This is pizza. This is Coke. And this is Maggie. So this is again a data representation which is in the form of circle graph, where you have drawn the graph in the circle. Okay. circular graph, you don't need a graph paper. You can draw it in a simple paper also. Clear? So there are some more facts about circle graph. Today we studied what a circle graph is actually. Now, what are the different aspects of circle graph? How to solve a circle graph? How to make a graph? So this was the very easy example, but other examples are also there. So that we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Let's see you. Please do complete your work till here.